Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our new lesson in which we will discuss about the new vocabulary words that are basic words used in the Arabic language. So I just calculated some of the words and which came in my mind, and I thought to share with you and will be benefiting you guys in your speech, inshallah. So this is for beginners who are non-Arabs and who are not used to the language. So these words are for them. So number one I have is baytun. That means house. Bayt, it means house. Although there are different, you can say synonyms of house, but the most commonly used is bayt. Then al-qamar, moon. Then number three we have jadid, means new, and there's also a synonym of it which we say hadith, and in hadith there is so many meanings. One is meaning of speech, another one is meaning of something new, but the most commonly used in the people is jadid. And then I have number four is qadim, means old, so the opposite of jadid and is qadim. Number five is wasakhun. It is also read as wisakhun, but the most used is wasakhun, which means dirty. The opposite of it is clean, and that is nadhif. Nadhif it means clean. Then number seven, harun. Normally people they don't mention the tashdid on ra, but originally when it is written, it is to be written with tashdid, and it's called harun. But normally they don't consider reading harun, is because they're expecting you to know it, so that's the reason. But in writing, they do write tashdid on ra, and that's how it has to be written. Number eight, baridun, cold. So the opposite of har is barid. Then number nine is saghir, small, and kabir, big. All this is in sizes. So physically that you can see saghir, or physically you can see big is kabir. Number 11 is maftuh. So maftuh is sigatul maf'ul, means something has been opened already. Yeah, opened. And number 12 is maksur, broken. Number 12, maksur, broken. So this is also ism on the wazn of ism maf'ul, which is maksur, means broken. Number 13 is thaqil. That means heavy. So something that is heavy called as thaqil. And the opposite of it is khafif, that means light. Number 15 is jameel, that is beautiful. So there is a difference of opinions and different words that if jameel can be used for male as well, because normally we say beautiful to the female. Can we say to male or no? So inshallah I will upload the video on that as well, because it just came on my mind that I should have written on something on that, but I will be writing on it and making a video of it in my upcoming video. Then on number 16 we have waqifun. Waqifun is told to someone who was sitting and then he stood up. That's waqifun. Qa'imun, when someone is standing, that's for different one. Then number 17 is jalisun, someone who is sitting. So here to notice, here I translated as standing and sitting, because these are the sigha of ism fa'il. That means the person already is doing something. He is in the state of that position. So both of these are ism fa'il, but here in number 11 and number 2, this is something that's already been done. So that's a difference. Here the state is still in the present time in which they are in, but here it has already been done and already been done. So here they are in the wazn, that means in the shape of maf'ul. If you see, if you put this word on this, it will turn out to be the same thing. Yeah. So mim has fatha, here also has fatha, and fa has sukoon, it has sukoon. Here ayn has sukoon, and ta has sukoon. Waw has sukoon. Ayn has dhamma. Here ayn has dhamma. Here ta has dhamma. Here waw is with sukoon, and waw is with sukoon. Lam is with dhammatain. Ha is with dhammatain. So almost is the same pattern. So that's why it's falling under ism maf'ul. Here also the same thing. It has the same pattern of ism maf'ul. That's why it's falling under that category. Here it has same pattern as ism fa'il. As you can see, waw has fatha and has alif, and then qaf has kasra, and fa has dhammatain. Here's the same thing. Fa has fatha, and then you have an alif, and then ayn has kasra, and then you have dhammatain. Yeah. So these are the words that you can use in your daily languages. If you are trying to learn Arabic, or if you are in place, or you're surrounded in your office with Arabs, so you can see them using these words, especially har, thaqeel, khafif, or waqif, jalis, maksur, maftuh. You know, that office is maftuh, it's opened, no, and things like that. Or it's jadid, that means it's new. Or al-qamar, that means moon. You can just add one more to it, and that is sun as shams. So if you're mentioning al-qamar, they might ask about the sun, so I just mention sun. And then bayt, definitely I'm coming from house, I live in house, or however situation demands. So these are some 17-18 words, and I'll be also uploading a few more words that you can add to your dictionary, Arabic dictionary, and I'll also be explaining on how you can use these words in small simple sentences like this is a house, or who are you, what is your name, and things like that, so that you can introduce yourself in your interview, or how you can introduce yourself in commonly, if you're going in a mall, or if you are in a public place and you happen to speak in Arabic but you are not able to do it, so that will help you at least speak the basic of it, so that you can understand your feelings. You can understand your feelings to the other person. Alright, and that's all for this video. Inshallah, I'll be uploading a new video with something new, and thanks for watching. Jazakallah khair, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our video and share it, and press the bell icon please, so that you can be reminded, or you can be notified in your screen when we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.